Good day to you. Yes, so here I'm enjoying my food. And this is the first time I'm doing this purple fufu, cabbage fufu. Actually, I saw it on some Agus channel. Yes, on our other channel. I'm going to be putting the link on my description box so that you check it out. So here I'm just talking about this weight loss of a thing. Actually, my son wanted to appear on the camera and I don't want him to. So I was just talking about the weight loss. So he was disturbing. That is why I reduced the volume. I'm not doing voice cover for it now. So I was talking about this weight loss of a thing, that to lose weight is not free, but to gain more weight sometimes is free. That is for me. I don't know of any other person. If I want to become fat, because my father is fat, my mother is fat, it's free for me. Yes, anything by thing goes. But once I'm trying to control it, it's not free. It's no more free. There are some things I don't need to take. That's why I said to gain weight for me is free. To become very fat is very free for me. So guys, thank you so much for your love. I'm just enjoying it. In case you want to control yours too, this will be a very good idea. Yes, oatmeal, you can turn it to fufu. And this purple cabbage too is also good for the body. Yes, when I took it, I was full. I didn't even remember taking anything, but I noticed I was drinking water. Yes, I was taking water to eat dinner because I took it as my lunch. I didn't even remember to take dinner, but I was drinking enough water. So it's very good. Try it out. Try it out. Thank you so much for staying tuned with me till now. I really appreciate I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your love. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please do. The kids are back now. Let me attend to them.